Hi guys, Tommy Olsson here. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a donut shop website with WordPress, and I will show you how easy it is. And so I will go through the web page with you and show you everything and how everything works. Now everything on this page, the text, the images, your pricing tables, everything you see here, you can edit and change to have your site look any way you want it to. So this is a professional looking website. As you can see, it's quality images and so on, and design. Here you can have a video of your shop or something if you want, and here special offers and so on. So I will now shortly show you step by step how easy it is to set this site up, and you can start for free through a 14-day free trial through the link below. But let's now go to the steps. To get started for free, click the link below, and then you just click on start building. Here's the theme for bakery if you want to build a bakery site, but we're going to focus on a donut shop, so we're going to choose that theme right there, and you can see a preview thumbnail there of the site, but let's click on that now. And then you simply click on create this website. And here you choose the kind of package you want to start with. You can pay monthly, quarterly or yearly. Here are the different price options, and when you have decided which package you want, just click one of these. And here you enter the name for your website, the site you want to call, what you want to call your site. And here's the URL for your site. Preferably you choose the site title here also, but you can choose whatever you want. But do not enter influxentrepreneur.com, because when you click this button, that will be auto-generated after your site title name here. So, and then you're good to go. You will get an email to the email you enter and as a confirmant, and then you're good to go. And then you will see that you can log in. Then you'll be logged into your WordPress dashboard as it's built on WordPress, and there are step-by-step tutorial videos on this site also if you get stuck, or you can connect with support. So when you first end up on this website, Influx Plus, you want to learn step-by-step how everything is set up, then you simply click here on page. So here is all the different videos. Easy to understand them, it's step by step. Even if you're a total newbie creating website and such, you can watch these videos time and time again to get it right. And like I said, if you get, just connect with support. So if you want to start building your donut website or any website you want, then click the link below for a 14-day free trial. You also get access to a great WordPress blog. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe and have a nice day.